No. A little one.
My name is Igor Tchumiko, explorer, adventurer, and a guy who ends up in some interesting places. With a degree in journalism and filmmaking, I traveled to the ends of the earth investigating the greatest places in the world. This is Igor Travels the World. Here, in front of Hallgrímskirkja Church, stands the statue of Leif Eriksson, a famous Icelandic explorer known to have set foot in North America prior to even Christopher Columbus. Fish & Co. is the #3 rated seafood place in all of Reykjavik, and we got a delicious cod and fries plate. Let's go check it out. Here is the cod. Let's do a taste test. Oh, it's so flaky. Oh my God, I can safely say that might be the best fish I've ever had in my life. Now we have some mango sauce over here. That's really good too. Let's try a fry. For like 10 euros, this is amazing. So the water here is 38 degrees Celsius, and it's seawater that's channeled from 2,000 meters below the ground. All right, so once you're here, you get this silica paste. And what you do is you rub it all on your face. And you don't wash it off.
5 or 10 minutes.
Welcome to Reynisfjara, the black sand beach, famous for its black sand. According to local Icelandic legend, these two large basalt columns behind me were once trolls. They would pull ships from ocean to shore. But when dawn came up, they turned into solid stone. Welcome to Skogafoss Waterfall. Legend has it that there is a gold chest hidden inside the waterfall. Maybe if you're lucky, you'll see it and maybe even retrieve it. What's up guys, we are at Geyser, and right before I was able to film, the thing exploded and now I'm all wet. Every couple minutes, or maybe 10 minutes, it explodes, and the last one was huge. Let's go see if we can catch some more. Welcome to Thingvellir National Park, one of the most important national parks in all of Iceland. Back in the year 930 AD, the earliest parliament was held right in this area. Also, the meeting of two tectonic plates is right here, and as you can see behind me, people love to scuba or snorkel to look down and see the amazingness of two tectonic plates which are slowly separating continuously right as they get to go right in the water. I mean, it's pretty awesome. Let's go check it out. So this large lake is actually fed by a glacier that comes from way, way, way over there. Now the cool part is that glacier water takes between 80 and 100 years to reach here. And while it takes 80 to 100 years, it goes through natural rock sediment acting as a filter. So by the time it reaches here, you can easily drink the water fresh because it's the same or even better than you would buy from the store. We're drinking some 100-year-old glacier water. Welcome to the residence of the President of Iceland. Actually, in a very unique situation, you're allowed to come right up to his property. You can even go knock on the door. Now, if he were home, the flagpole would actually have the flag at full mast. However, right now he's not home, he's probably in Reykjavik. But there are stories that if you knock on his door and he's actually there, he'll open it and maybe you can even go inside and take a tour. I think that's really awesome.